How to create a landing page in Gumroad. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page in Gumroad. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Gumroad, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Gumroad, it is a user-friendly e-commerce platform designed for creators and entrepreneurs to sell digital products, physical goods, memberships, and subscriptions, in which it has become a popular choice for selling items like ebooks, music, software, design, templates, and online courses. And Gumroad simplifies the sales processes with features such as secure payment processing, digital file delivery, and piracy prevention tools like lightweight DRM. So now after creating an account, you could also visit their pricing plan where it will show you in here that they offer 10% and also plus 0.5 or 50 cents per transaction for all sales through your profile or direct links to your customers. While the other plan, they offer 30% per transaction when new customers find and buy from you through Discover Marketplace. And now after creating your account, you simply click the dashboard button on the top right corner. Then you will be able to be directed in this dashboard. And it will show you in the left side panel the home, products, customers, emails, and many more. But just proceed by clicking the products option in here to proceed where it will show you all of the products in here. And as you can see, some of my products in here contains these landing pages or this link in here. And if you click on it, you'll be able to be directed on the next stage or next page in here. And it will show you the cover, photo, this price in here, our description, the number of pages, and even our call to action, which is buy this. So this is basically what the customer will see when they try to purchase our products. And now to create a new one, just click new product button on the top right corner. And in here, just simply enter firstly the name of the product that you want or you're trying to sell, or create a landing page for it. For example, I'm going to enter my ebook and also the title of this, for example, Our Story. And after simply entering here the name or the title below, under products, you can choose either digital product, but I'm going to choose ebook. You could also choose bundle or other services in here. And below here, just simply enter the price, where you could also enter or select the currency. So you can see this under $10, and now clicking the next button on the top right corner, you'll be able to be directed in here under product section, where we start entering the description, which basically from here you can start describing the content of your ebook or the kind of product that you are selling. For example, I'm going to end here a story about two people who used to be the couple that never separate. And after entering the description below, you could also customize here the URL. For example, I'm going to enter here our story. So this basically will serve as our link or landing page link. And below, you could also add a custom demo if you want to. And if you scroll down, it will show us in your Android side panel as well what it looks like. Now under this cover, you could also upload a computer files or external link if you want to. However, in those options, I'm going to choose to upload from my computer files. So basically from here basically my sample cover photo, but you could also change it depending on your preferences. Now under this product info, the call to action that I'm going to choose is buy this. And also the summary, you could also enter here the summary of the product info. I'm going to enter here, get this limited edition ebook. And for the number of pages, I'm going to enter, for example, the pages of my ebook contains 50 pages. You could also add a detail if you want to. Now under this integration, you could also set to invite your customer to a circle community once they purchase, or even join to a Discord server if you want to. And below, under the pricing, you could also navigate to allow your customers pay what they want. Allow customers pay in installment in here. And also the version if you have any version of this ebook. And now under settings, you could also navigate to limit the product sales. For example, since it is limited only, I'm going to enter the quantity amounting to 1,000 only available ebooks. You could also allow customers to choose a quantity in here, publicly show the number of sales on your product page, and even mark as e-publication for bot purposes. However, if you're now done filling out all of this required information and navigate all of those, kind of proceed by clicking the Save and Continue button on the top right corner. Or you could also proceed now to the content section, where we can upload here the file of the ebook, in which the customer will get once they try to purchase or buy our ebook product in here. So you could also upload a file from your computer files in here. And if you're now done, you could now click the publish and continue button on the top right corner, or you could also start saving the changes. And upon doing so, you'll now be able to see what it looks like. And by visiting the preview is basically what our landing page looks like of this product that we are selling, which is ebook. It will show us in here the price, the overview, the description, and many more. So basically, that is just how easy to create a landing page in Gumroad. Thank you.